What's up, YouTube? It's your boy GD Warrior, and today is a really fucking special day. Really special day. So let's get this straight. All right? You got a guy who's all into warriors, and then you got a friend of this guy who's all into warriors. And these two guys get in touch with one of the most talented exhaust builders in the country, Ricky Graffeo. They sent him a freaking frame and the engine all the way from South Florida to Texas just so he can make pipes for us. For all the warrior people, doesn't matter if you're fucking in Russia, in Germany, in Saudi Arabia, in Canada, Argentina, whatever the fuck it is, you can be on the Mars. Ricky's gonna make it happen. It took us 2 months, at least 2 months. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good. You want to say hi? I'm making a video.
Hi.
That's Erica. Hi. It took us at least 2 months to make this shit happen. All right, that was just a photo bomb, by the way. She's single. Anyways, it took us 2 months to get all that shit going, and now it's finally time. The Ricky Graffeo exhaust is here. It's sitting in a box. I already came like 3 or 4 times at least. My balls are like dragging down the floor, because I will be unboxing that baby. It's the first warrior pipe that he made, and I think it's gonna be badass. What do you think? So let's go and open that thing together. Let's do it, baby. Alright, guys. I'm gonna fucking massacre that fucking... Anyways, let's open that thing up, guys. Let me see. Let me take my glasses off here. Let me put that to the side for a second. Alright, let's see. Alright. Holy shit balls. Holy shit balls. Dun dun dun. Obviously it's gonna be fucking packed because Ricky is the man, right? Yeah, of course. Look how nice. Oh my god. Oh my fucking god. Alright, guys. It's time. Let's see, what do you have here? I'm gonna make sure there's nothing fucking in there. Yeah, this one is good. Oh yeah. Alright, what is this? This paper? Anything inside? No, man, there's nothing inside. Oh my god. Alright, pick one. 1, 2, 3. Alright, this must be the fucking front. This, I think this is the collector, man. Oh, let's take that fucker out. Let's put it on here. Let's fucking unwrap that bitch. Where's my knife? Knife! Alright, guys, I've taken most of it apart. I have not looked at it yet. Just took that shit off because I want to be as surprised as you are. So oh my god. Come on, get the fuck out of there. Holy shit balls. Bro, look at this. Holy shit! I mean, when I get excited, when I get excited, my fucking voice raises. Oh, that's the bracket, huh? Damn! I mean, look at that, man. Holy fuck! Ricky Graffeo exhaust. All right, man. Damn, that fucking thing looks fucking mean as fuck, man. Look at all of this. Damn! Ricky. All right, let's get the fucking next shit rolling over here. All right, what else we got? Oh, this must be front or so. No, that's the rear. Yep, that must be the rear. Fuck out of here. Oh wait, we gotta put this all in order right here. This one goes like that. And this one goes like this. Actually, no, this one goes like that. Fucking way too excited. Wait, here, take this. Get away from me. There we go. Oh shit! What is this? Is this fucking Texas? Is this the state of fucking Texas over there? It's gotta be, right? Does this how Texas look like? I think so. I don't think it's chipped off. There is nothing to be chipped off. This looks like fucking Texas to me, man. I mean, guys. Wow. I'm fucking speechless, bro. Wait. We still got one more. We got one more. All right, let's see. This must be going like this. Yeah, I think it's gonna be like that. Right? Yep. All right. Here, let me get that shit off and I get right back to you. Here it is, guys. I just fucking got the thing off. Let me make sure I don't fucking scratch anything here. Here it is. The Ricky badass, bad to the bone Graffeo exhaust. You still gotta tell me what this is. Is this fucking Texas? I mean, guys, look at that. Look at this. Look at all these wells, man. And it's so smooth. Look, you can tell how stepped it is. You see how it goes from big to, I mean, from small to big. Look at these flanges, man. Look at them. You see this side? Oh my god. Sweet. And this right here, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, let's do it like that. Hold on. See if I can get it in here with one hand. Ladies and gentlemen, the Ricky Graffeo exhaust. I'm fucking excited, man. Anyways, so I would say it's time to put that baby on and fire it up for the very first time. Your boy, GD Warrior. Right, before we put that baby on, I think somebody requested to see the pipe from the back side. So that's what we're gonna do. Let me just take this shit out of here. Back side. Back side. Back side. Alright, here's the backside, guys. So here it is. That's the collector. Next backside. And next backside. Alright, I'm putting that baby on now because I can't fucking wait. See you guys in a little bit. It's your boy GD Warrior. Don't forget, don't fucking die. Alright guys, let's go and check out the Graffeo exhaust in action when it's outside in the sun.